In 1992, maritime history enthusiasts founded the Hermione-Lafayette Association, aiming to faithfully recreate a late 18th century frigate in the heart of the historic Rochefort Arsenal. A lengthy period of preparation began, with the collection of historical sources, the reconstruction of plans, the search for funding, and a suitable designer. The reconstruction of this highly symbolic ship from the 18th century is part of recovering a maritime heritage that has shaped and influenced the identity of an entire region for over 2 centuries. At the end of the 18th century, France once again had a strong fleet that could compete with the English Royal Navy. This rivalry can be explained by the economic challenges of the time, which arose from the colonial possessions of both naval powers. The revolt of the 13 American colonies offered the French Navy the opportunity to harm England. During this time, the French military industry was running at full speed. 4 frigates were commissioned in Rochefort in 1779, which were launched between 1777 and 1780, and eventually became a fleet of 13 frigates. Today, a new future is being built in Rochefort. Programs for seafaring and the revival of old shipbuilding skills have been established in the shipyard of Hermione. We are beginning to discover this part of the history of our neighboring country.